Hey everyone, in this video we're going to make Sloppy Joes. Sloppy Joes are a popular American sandwich that many Americans probably grew up with, either at the cafeteria at lunch or at home, because it's an easy sandwich to make. So it's easy, quick, and very tasty. In this video we'll make the classic version, but we'll also step it up. What you need for the video is shown on the screen. So take a snapshot and let's get to it. To start, dice up the onions and peppers, and then cook them up in a frying pan with some olive oil or whatever cooking oil you like to use. Cook them for a couple of minutes until they start to soften and look translucent. Well, at least the onion should look translucent. Add the meat and chop it up, and you want it to cook until it browns. Add the chili powder and the brown sugar in this process. Once the meat has browned, add the mustard, the apple cider vinegar, and Worcestershire sauce, and the ketchup. Stir those in well. Let's simmer on medium heat for about 10 minutes. Keep an eye on it, stirring it occasionally. If you see an excess of oil on top of the meat, you can scoop it out with a spoon and get rid of it. But otherwise, you're going to let this simmer for 10 to 15 minutes or so. It may take a little longer. But keep cooking and stirring until you reach a thick consistency. I like mine pretty thick to hold the sandwich together a bit. As you stir it around, you might notice that the meat starts to pile up, like you might see in this clip here. This to me is a sign that the meat is ready to be served. This helps to keep the meat stay together without spilling out too much and piled into buns while eating. However, it is a sloppy joe, so don't expect it to be a super clean meal. Take the meat and pile it into hamburger buns and you have yourself a classic sloppy joe. Well, if you wanted to step it up a notch, throw on some lettuce, tomatoes, or whatever else you like to put on your hamburgers usually. And you've got yourself a well-dressed sloppy joe. Or is that a classy joe? I don't know. And of course, you can always throw some fries or whatever else you like as a side on your plate, as any decent sandwich always deserves. Any way you like it, and anything you serve with it, this will always be a tasty and classic American sandwich staple, the Sloppy Joe. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, hit that like button and consider subscribing. I make a lot of easy and popular foodie favorites on this channel, so you'll be sure to learn something new here. See you again soon.